If you are a makeup lover and you don't know about this palette, please, shame on you. I look like a freaking yellow faced person, like 1,000 blushes, and I feel still not enough. Give it up for another powder. By the way, all the products are below 300, but it didn't do jack shit. So brush, no idea. Golden Sand, oh my god, I remember everything now, but I don't remember people's name. Actually, I'm not that experimental when it comes to my hair. NYBay, up your packaging game. A lot of campaigns were going on around this product. Hello everybody, this is Shubhanki. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do another Amazon haul video. Now, I was looking through all my YouTube videos that I uploaded last month, and I noticed that I haven't made an Amazon haul video for a long time. I did it like 1.5 months back, but the thing is I never stopped. I keep on buying stuff from Amazon left and right, and yeah, so in this video I'm going to do an Amazon haul video, and the products will be linked in the description box. I'm so excited for this video because there are quite a few stuffs in this box you guys can see. So yeah, without any further ado, as I always say, let's get started. Okay, so before starting, if you like noticed my makeup look today, yeah, so I did this look in my last video, and actually I reviewed a palette, and zoop, I'm not going to talk about it in this video. If you want to know anything about it, click here. Also, first watch this video and then go there. In this haul video, I can see I have skincare, hair care, and a lot of makeup. So let's start with makeup, shall we? So the first thing that I got is this one. This is a Mars Trend Setting Powder. The shade is Banana. They have two more shades as well, translucent, another is brightening. I got the banana one because I look like a freaking yellow faced person, so the banana works good for me. I'm going to review this product, which is going to come very soon. I'm going to compare this one with the Insight one, so stay tuned for that. Now the next product is what I'm very excited about. So this is a blush. Now you guys know my love for blushes, so I had to get like 1,000 blushes, and I feel still not enough. So this is SFR's blush. It's a matte blush, and I think they don't have any shade name because I picked up this one and apparently they had only one shade, and lucky me, they have got this shade only, which is my favorite shade for blush. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this brush, no idea. Probably going to just keep it as it is. But this blush, oh my god, this is freaking pigmented and it's matte. Like wow, can you see the pigment? It's freaking pigmented, and also this is so cheap. By the way, all the products are below 300. Yeah, I don't have any reason for that, but anyway, so I really like it. I'm going to make a review video on this one as well. Now the next product, oh my god, that's my favorite product. So I'm talking about this eyeshadow palette. This is Kiss Beauty's eyeshadow palette plus blusher in the shade 03, and it kind of looks like this. So pretty, oh my god, this is so pretty, and I have swatched each of them and reviewed in details to you guys. Please go and check that video out. It's a super good video, by the way, very helpful, and this is so cheap. I think everybody should have this palette. If you are a makeup lover and you don't know about this palette, please, shame on you. Just kidding, I highly recommend this palette. Now let's talk about a product that I didn't like. So the product that I'm talking about is Insight's Eye Primer, eyeshadow base primer, long lasting, but it didn't do jack shit. So this is 99 rupees. I have talked in details about it, applied it on my eyes, so you want to check it out, go check it out. Everything is there in my channel, just you have to click in the video and watch it. So don't like this product. I have tried it once and I didn't like it, but I want to give this one a second chance, and if anything changes, I'm gonna obviously tell you guys about it. So yeah, now the next one is, why am I talking like this? Anyways, so the next product is Insight's concealer. This is a really good concealer. It's kind of a dupe of, not a exact dupe, but the packaging is quite a rip-off of LA Girl, and the shade that I got myself is, I guess, shade number 4. Yeah, 4 Golden Sand. Oh my god, I remember everything now, but I don't remember people's name. Yeah, that's a different story. Anyway, so this is a concealer. I really liked it, but obviously it comes with pros and cons that I have discussed already. So yeah, next up I got another blush palette. I guess at this point you guys are like, yeah, I know Shubhanki, if you are making a haul video, there will be a blush palette. I think everybody now knows that. Anyway, so the blush palette that I'm talking about is this one. This is such a pretty palette. Like, can you guys just look at this beauty over here? Just appreciate its beauty. Like, I love this palette. This is freaking pigmented. Like wow. So love this palette. This is a favorite blush, powder blush palette that I'm currently obsessing over right now. Oh, I didn't even mention the name of this palette. Very professional. So the palette is Annie Lady's Sweet Fruit palette. It's a blush palette. Also, I don't know why when I was buying it from Amazon, it was saying Chubb's palette. So I don't know about the company, but I'm going to link it down so that you guys can get hold of it, like me, so that we can start obsessing together. The next product is another concealer. Actually, I was looking through a lot of concealers because I was tired and bored of the Beauty of Swiss Beauty, which is my staple concealer, and I was like looking through and searching for affordable concealers like the range of Swiss Beauty but can do good job or better job than Swiss Beauty concealer. So I have a lot of concealer, and yeah, I'm going to review a lot more. I have done quite a few reviews as well. Yeah, it's in the process, but the concealer I'm talking about is Insight's 2X Master Cover Concealer. Like, love the packaging. Insight is really upping their game with the packaging, and I'm living for it. So yeah, this is the concealer. The shade I have is 01 Sun Beige. Yeah, I don't know what to say anymore. Yeah, this concealer. Next up, we have another concealer which I'm going to use as contour. I mean, I'm using as contour, and I have used that today as well. So I'm talking about this one. This is NY Base Spotless HD Concealer. I think the name was that. And the shade that I got is 04 Chestnut Pretzel. Yeah, this is just a simple concealer. Nothing is there. Not even the brand name. So forget about the shade number. So just forget about everything. I don't know why NY Bay is like, the quality is really good, but I don't know why nothing is printed. NY Bay, up your packaging game. Make it a little bit interesting because it's just a bottle. It's looking like a small business owned product. If that was the case, I would have gladly accepted, but Parpel, NY Bay, they are growing a lot popular, and this is not acceptable. You need to up your game, but the quality is really good. Yeah, got this one. Next up, give it up for another powder, which is Insight's banana powder. This is a banana loose powder from Insight Cosmetics. Insight had a lot of type of powders, but this one has only one shade, which is banana. And I don't know why, because banana is supposed to be a yellow powder, but it is a lot whiter. But it says banana. It is yellowish, but a lot whiter. It's not super yellow. It's like whitish yellow. I don't know how to explain. It makes my under eye a lot white, but I like the quality. The particles are very fine. I like it, but it is very white for my skin tone. I don't know. Also, why am I explaining and reviewing it to guys when I literally have a full-blown review video of this one? Anyway, moving on. Now, with all that, that's quite a lot of makeup, by the way. So yeah, with all that, we end our makeup products of this haul. Let's deep dive into skincare and hair care. I mean, hair care, I have only one product. So let's start with that. So I got myself a conditioner. The one that I was using previously, I ran out of it, which was Mamaearth's Onion Hair Conditioner. Yeah, that one. And it was really good. But I used that for so long that I got bored of it, and I wanted one conditioner which would be affordable. And that time, this is Pantene's new launch. A lot of campaigns were going on around this product, which is like Pantene's Advanced Hair Fall Solution, Hair Fall Control Conditioner. And that's why I thought, let's buy this and try this out. I'm not that experimental when it comes to my hair. I know you guys are laughing right now and saying it in your head that, Shubhangi, just look at your mirror, see what color is your hair. It keeps changing every week. I know you guys are saying that, but just hear me out. I am experimental with my hair color, but not with the products that I use. I'm very particular about it because I have a lot of hair conditions. Like, even before coloring my hair, like in general, I have a lot of hair problems, like for example dandruff. Yeah, so I stick to particular products because if a product works for me, like, it's very rare though, because I have used a lot and nothing works for my hair, but if it does, I'm gonna stick to it. So trying new things for my hair is like changed me. I have tried this for like 3 to 4 times, and I thought like, it's okay, it's nothing life-changing, by the way. I don't know, I need to try a lot more and then tell you guys how it is, but it's not bad. It didn't make my hair lose immensely. It says hair fall control, but it didn't reduce my hair fall, neither it increased my hair fall. So I don't know what it did. Yeah, so need to try a little more and then tell you guys. Just don't quote me on this. Now I have 2 skincare products. It's basically my skincare product, my go-to skincare products that I restocked for the winter. So I have my favorite moisturizer, which is Parasoft. It's the White Soft Paraffin and Liquid Paraffin Cream. Parasoft cream for dry skin. So I've been using this constantly, not for winter specifically. I'm using it in the summertime as well as winter. And the moisture boost, the hydration, the glowiness it gives to my skin is like to some other level. I haven't seen my skin glow so much. It is really, really thick, by the way, very thick. And I sometimes apply this like a mask, especially at night when I'm heading to my bed. I apply it like a mask and it's ridiculous. It looks like I'm like a grease ball, but I do it because it does make my skin glow when I wake up. The feeling is like, I can't explain it to you guys. I love this one, though I think it contains perfume. It doesn't say it here. Also, ingredients, it's not completely disclosed, but I think it does have perfume, but very mild. But I've been using this. This is my third tub, and I like what it does to my skin. Also, my skin is not sensitive, so my skin can tolerate perfume, and I just love it. Now the next one is obviously sunscreen. I ran out of my sunscreen, so I had to get one. And the one that I've been currently using, and I'm on my 4th bottle, is this one. So this is Blessing Tree sunscreen lotion. It's a little bit lotiony, but I generally apply this after using the moisturizer, so it balances out and works for me. Generally, I don't apply any Rani type of skincare product, apart from serum though. But when I team it up with Parasoft, so it works beautifully on my skin. I've been using this for quite a lot of period of time, and I'm loving it. This is SPF 50 PA++, UVA, UVB. It's a broad spectrum, water resistant, mineral based, and my skin really suits this one. So yeah, just stocked my go-to skincare. And yeah, with that, I'm done with my Amazon haul. My bucket is empty right now. So yeah, we have finally come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. As you guys know, all the products will be linked in the description box. Now it's your turn to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I know if you have watched this video till now, you are loving me. And yeah, I'm going to meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy, and bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.